Na tuyambililia mavoni kana mithenya ya munini wa Musumbi Rigathi Gachagua uvisini no kwithiwa ye minini onu itina wa Muyumbe wa Kibwezi West Mwengi Mutuse Kuthakya Mutalatala wa kumung'uthula kivilani. Masaani ma muthenya umuthi speaker wa mbunge Nene Moses Wetangula no somia Mutalatala onu kumukita Gachagua na aikithia ayumbe mana ele na miongo kenda na umwe nimetekelile imekiie saii. Mutalatala utavikitwe mbungeni ni wenda kwa kukwatwa kwako ni ayumbe ya naimwe na 17. Mutuse avikisie evukuye na page ya naimwe ayonania ena livoti sia kuikithia sia kuonania kana Gachagua daile kwithiwa uvisini. Joseph Kitheka ena mauvo.
Honorable, take your nearest seats.
Itina wanzeke sia kwenda muvitanga uvisini munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua kwitha inya ikite muno undu ni wesa kufika muthia vala Mutalatala wesa ufika mbungeni muthenyani wa umuthi. Mutalatala una ula wetete mutia withitwe ikulaniwa ketha wivo nuka uvicha mbungeni indi ni wesa uvicha mbungeni su ni mumbunge wa kilio mbunge cha Kibwezi West Mwengi Mutuse ulosa kuitwa na chama cha maendeleo chapchap.
And Kenyans, listen, I have no grudge, I have no malice, I have no ill will, I have no personal vendetta against His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. I am just doing my duty as a citizen of the Republic of Kenya and executing my mandate as a member of this House as mandated under the Constitution to bring this motion.
Mwengi ni wasoma mbe wa mbunge su mavityo 10 ala munini wa president kuwetekana ukukonanw'a namo na maendete utena kithito kila waiye cha uvisi. Evityo yambe ni kutumia ndeto sia kuwetekemena na ithoko. Evityo ya keli yikuvithia President Ruto na nzama yake ya maminista. Evityo ya katatu kulikila uthukumi wa serikali ya Ilovi. Evityo ya kana kulikila musili wa makwani Esther Maina. Evityo ya katano kuthio tena kithito cha uvisi. Evityo ya thanthatu kutula muya wa umwe wa nthi.
I will demonstrate that the Honorable Rigathi Gachagua has committed crimes under Section 13(1)(a) and 62 of the National Cohesion and Integration Act, the act that speaks to our nationhood, the act that speaks to our multi-ethnicity, the act that speaks to our society remaining together as a cohesive society. And I will demonstrate with videos, I will demonstrate with affidavits, I will demonstrate with documents that the man holding the office of the Deputy President has violated the same law that he swore to protect in his own oath of office.
Evityo ya muunza kwikwati uthui wa bilioni 5 katuno ili. Evityo ya nyanya kwelulucha NND. Evityo ya kenda mituo mingi mithuku na evityo ya kumikoni ya thukumi ma serikali.
His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua did declare that he was worth 800 million. We are aware that he's paid slightly over 1 billion, meaning that for the last 2 years the match he could have accumulated justly is about 24 million. But I will demonstrate before Kenyans that he has properties to himself, the ones that I was able to get in my time of research, worth 5.2 billion Kenya shillings. This is what we call unexplained assets, and we must slay the dragon of corruption from the highest office. The Deputy President has been threatening public officials. The person of the Deputy President has carried himself in a manner that brings disrespect to the office that he holds and therefore has grossly misconducted himself.
Itina waki amwe mambunge ni meyumile na kunene ya wendeketi wa kusezi wondu vailite kavindani ka Mutalatala uvikie mbungeni. Matongoni mutongoi wa ala aingi mbungeni su Kimani Ichung'wah ondu muna munyanya wa ala nini mbungeni su Junet Mohamed ni menda usezi wa mbunge ondhe wikithio kavindani kala Mutalatala su witha winananiwa vala nake mukuni wa Mutalisa ngaliko ya ala ingi mbungeni su Silvanus Osoro wendekethia mwenendeane uviso ya kunengana woni wake kana ilaita wa public participation.
But for members of this House, all the 349 of them, Honorable Speaker, you must direct the Inspector General of Police, who was approved by this House less than a month ago, to ensure that when this House is sitting within the precincts of Parliament and even outside and including committees of this House sitting, Honorable Speaker, members are secured.
Mr. Speaker, we want those 291 members of Parliament to turn up here the day of voting, Mr. Speaker, without missing any one of them, Mr. Speaker.
I need to seek your guidance and indulgence on the place for public participation as far as this notice of motion is concerned. Because looking at the jurisprudence that has been made by the courts, and the lower legislative arm, which is the county assemblies, on the impeachments of the governors and deputy governors, Mr. Speaker, you'll realize and notice that many impeached governors or their deputies challenge their impeachment based on the process of public participation.
Joseph Kwianana, ripoti ya Vilingi wa Mavo, Mutongoi TV.